Welcome to another fantastic Ralph Tube.
Birds are assholes, and it needs to be figured out. First of all, they never shut the up. The last thing I want to do is listen to your dumb chirping ass chirp all goddamn morning. Shut up! Shut up! When are you gonna die? It is said that... I can't read the card. Bring it closer. I can't read the card! Birds, where do you get the nerve?
Don't worry, it's just sleeping.
We need more birds like this, laying lifeless face down in the water. Thank you for watching Ralph Tube. Make sure to subscribe and follow on Twitter at Ralph_Tube. Thank you.